a lettering artist and graphic designer, and today I'm going to teach you how to make Fauxsaics, or digital mosaics, on the iPad Pro using Procreate. This is an incredibly fun illustration technique that has soared in popularity in recent years, and there's good reason for that, because not only is it really fun to make, but the end product is extremely eye-catching and rewarding. You don't have to be a lettering artist to take this class, but if you are, I think you're going to find that it's really fun to turn your hand letter design into mosaic art. If you're not a lettering artist, don't worry, because I'm also going to show you how to incorporate digital fonts into your design so that you can have typography too. As a student in this class, you're going to get free access to a Procreate library of mosaic brushes that I've created just for you. Those include unique pattern brushes, textures, and shapes that I'll show you how to install and use in your own mosaic art. I'm also going to show you methods for creating designs that don't require any specialty brushes at all. The techniques I'm going to share with you start at the very beginning. We'll create a type-based design, whether it's hand lettering or type from a digital font. Then we will add a realistic-looking grout background and turn the design into a tiled pattern. I'll show you how to cut these tiles by hand or use patterned brushes to create similar effects. Then I'll show you how to recolor the design for a more cohesive composition. Then we'll add texture, and I'll show you ways to make the tiles look hand-painted. We're also going to add dimension, shadows, and lighting so that the tiles themselves look 3D. I hope that you find this technique as meditative and fun as I do, and that you share your final product with me in the project section below, or by tagging me on social media so that I can see your design when you share it with the world. Now, without further ado, let's get started.